Tracking proposal and contract status from your CRM is crucial for staying on top of your sales pipeline and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do this quickly and efficiently so you never lose track of important deals again. To start, open your CRM and navigate to your proposals or contracts section. In most CRMs, these will be listed under either sales or opportunities. You'll want to make sure you're viewing the most up-to-date status of all your proposals and contracts. Here's where it gets interesting. Some CRMs allow you to customize how you view these statuses. You can set filters for things like pending, accepted, declined, or in negotiation. Once you've set your filters, you'll want to click on any individual proposal or contract to view the detailed status. Here, you can track everything from when the proposal was sent to when it's expected to be signed. Look for options to leave notes and track communication, as these can be key to understanding where things stand with each client. The next thing you'll want to do is set reminders or automate follow-ups. Many CRM systems allow you to set these up directly within the software. This way, you won't have to manually track each contract's progress. Your CRM will alert you when it's time to follow up, helping you stay on track without missing a beat. Another useful feature in most CRM systems is the ability to create reports. These reports can show you trends in your proposals or contracts, like the average time it takes to close a deal or the win rate for each salesperson on your team. This data is invaluable for improving your sales process and tracking overall performance. You can also use your CRM's dashboard to get a high-level view of your entire pipeline. Most dashboards will let you see a quick summary of your proposals and contracts, with easy access to see which ones need attention or follow-up. You can set up these dashboards to show only what's relevant to you, saving you time and making it easier to stay focused on the important deals. Now, if you want to follow along and try out some of these CRM tracking features for yourself, I recommend the software we'll be using in this video. It has an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, so be sure to check that out in the description below. You'll get full access to all these features and more to see how they can streamline your process. The key takeaway from today is this: by utilizing filters, notes, reminders, and reports within your CRM, you'll be able to track proposal and contract status effortlessly, keeping your sales process organized and efficient. To recap, 1. Use filters to view proposal and contract statuses. 2. Check individual contracts for detailed tracking and communication. 3. Set reminders and automate follow-ups. 4. Use reports to track trends and performance. 5. Customize your dashboard for an overview of your pipeline. Before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below to see these tools in action for yourself. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.